So here is a modified version of your file. Here I have added an additional feature that will help you to load directly data from raw data to data map tab. By clicking this button, you have to path the file, the raw data file. Then you can see all the data have been loaded in the relevant fields, and here you can see all the fields have been updated here with formula names. So here you can select any either of the file size. You cannot select both. If you will select both, or if you will not select anyone, this will the field will become red. So you have to select only one. Similarly, if you want to print all the fields, all the entries, you have to write Y here. Then you can see, if you will see capital Y, sorry, if you will write capital Y here, all the field will be selected. So again, if you will delete this, all the fields will be deselected. Similar steps can be done with these two buttons. So if you want to select all, you can press Y, or if you will delete this, then you can select manually. Let me select few manually. I have selected Emma, Ahmad, Dong, Chong, and Samuel. Let us remember these names and generate the documents. As you can see, uh, let me delete the old generations. Okay, the folder is empty now. Let me generate the button. Let me press the button and generate the file. As you can see, there are 6 files. Yes, obviously this is completely editable. I have used these fields from here. So if you I have added mailing zip here, but I don't think so there is any data in the mailing zip column. So you can modify whatever you want to do here, and then you can press this button, and this now the file has been generated.